down. Sit all the way down. I'm about to get all up in y'all face, okay? Y'all, I was sitting there scrolling around YouTube, minding my own business, and y'all know that I am all about the concoctions, okay? All about a really, really good concoction. I came across this young lady's channel. Her name is A Babe Baby. I think A Babe Baby. I might be mispronouncing that, but I'm going to put her link and everything in the description box down below. Y'all go over and check her out. However, she posted a video a couple of days ago. It says extreme. I followed this Asian remedy to lose 3 pounds every day, and it worked. Now, look, okay, y'all know I am all about, again, the concoction. So, of course, y'all know I'm about to try this, right? Y'all know I'm back on my journey. I'm back doing my thug thizzle. I'm not able to exercise like I want to. I can do a little bit of arm exercises and all of that. But I can't, girl, I can't walk, girl. I can't walk. I can't do what I need to do as far as moving around and things like that, because follow me on Facebook to learn all about that. Link in the description box down below, okay? But the concoction that she is using, apparently she found it on Pinterest or whatever. It's an old Asian remedy that they use, I guess, when they're bloated or when they need to go to an event or something like that and they need to drop some weight. It's all natural. There is no chemicals or anything like that in it. Now, the remedy or the concoction is baking soda, half of a lemon. It looks like she put, I'm gonna have to look up the exact recipe, but it looks like to me she put in like a half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon of baking soda, a half of a lemon, and a half a teaspoon of sugar. That's what it looked like to me when I was watching the video. I didn't see exact, I'm sorry, she did say quarter of a tablespoon of baking soda. Quarter of a tablespoon of baking soda. I'm gonna have to really get some measuring freaking cups for that, girl, because how much is a quarter tablespoon on it? But a quarter tablespoon of baking soda, half of a lemon, and it looks like a half a teaspoon of sugar. I know sugar, you would probably think to yourself, sugar? I'm gonna be putting sugar in something that's supposed to detox my body and help me lose weight. I already knew about the baking soda helping you break down like a lot of that stuff that's in your stomach. If you bloated or something like that, they tell you to take some baking soda or whatever. I don't know, okay? All I know is I'm going to do my research, of course. I'm going to do it so you ain't got to do it. And I can come back here and I can tell y'all how it works or whatever. It's probably going to be next week or so when I come and tell y'all about this, because I ain't going to do it tomorrow. I already know, because I don't have no lemon and I don't buy no sugar, so I'm gonna have to go and buy the lemon and the sugar. I do have baking soda, of course. I keep baking soda on deck because it's good for a lot of different things. If you have a toothache, baking soda is good for toothaches. It's also good for you know, put in your refrigerator, all that type of stuff. I wouldn't use the one that I put in the refrigerator. However, probably going to, I'm definitely gonna have to go and buy me a lemon or a couple of lemons and some sugar. I'll probably get a little small bag of sugar or something, girl, because I don't, like I said, I don't buy sugar because I don't indulge in the sugar, okay? But honey, have y'all heard about this? Leave it in the comment section down below. But an Asian remedy to lose 3 pounds every day. And she said that it works. I did see her video. She looks good. I mean, she looked good before, okay? I wish I had her body, the before. Because you know how you have a lot of folks, you see they before and you probably think to yourself, girl, what I would only give to have your before, all right? I damn sure would kill to have your after, but she looks good in her after. She said it worked, okay? And she said she wasn't going to upload her video if it did not work. So y'all know I am all about the experiments and I am all about the concoction. So you know what's going to happen, right? Thick Chick is about to mix up this concoction over the next couple of days, and I'm going to have to come back here and tell y'all how it worked, all right? Did it work? Will it work? Is it going to work? Did it not work? I'm going to let y'all know. Y'all going to get the lowdown here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And again, go over and check out her channel. Link is down there in the description box down below, because I wouldn't know about it if it weren't for her. I wouldn't. But y'all know I'm finna mix up this concoction, like I said, over the next couple of days. And I'm gonna let y'all know if it really helps you drop some weight. I'm grown. I can do it. Bye.